A corset and a bustier have the same look and feel within.
I am honestly not nervous because I've worn them a lot of times.
So I don't even understand how back in the day people used to actually wear corsets.
Hi, my name is Simran Sanghvi.
Hi everyone, this is Aina Mehta.
Hi, my name is Simran Pudar.
So today we are going to style a bustier crop top.
In modern and a modest way.
And I'm very excited to see how this goes. A corset and a bustier have the same look and feel within.
You will get to know more in detail when we actually wear it and show it to you guys, but it is just 10% similar to what a corset may look like.
And what I love about it, because I'm comfortable in my own skin, I really like how it defines my body shape.
A little bit, maybe in terms of shape.
I am honestly not nervous because I've worn them a lot of times and touch wood, but I've never had a wardrobe malfunction, so I'm not nervous.
I feel it's too much of an effort to be wearing a proper bustier top because it kind of reveals your skin a lot.
I'm not nervous wearing the top because it's actually I'm actually very comfortable in it.
So I don't even understand how back in the day people used to actually wear corsets.
A bustier really flatters my upper body. I like the shape that it takes, and I absolutely love how I've paired it up with jeans. Even if there's like a lot going on the top, I feel like secure on the bottoms.
So I love how this outfit fits like a dream on my body, and this outfit is subtle yet hot. So yes,
I think I'm feeling so comfortable wearing this cute bustier top which has a fur at its end. It looks very cute, chic and very minimal. So yes, I think I'm feeling very comfortable on my skin. But if I wear it for a longer time, of course, I start to tend because it's sticking my body, right?
A key way to probably rock your bustier would be, taking care of your posture. You really need to make sure that you're not slouched or hunched. Keeping your back straight is something that, changes the whole look.
this look is totally inspired by Deepika Padukone. Like, I've seen her wearing the same look, the exact same look, and I just thought I will kind of recreate it, and I love how it has turned out and how it's looking on me. I loved it.
I'm very comfortable from head to toe, and I couldn't think of pairing it up with anything else in a modest way.
I think today I've paired denim on denim, and on top of that, this cute little bustier top. I think it's something very classy, something that stands out.
I like how I have paired my bag with the corset, so it adds a little bit of matching colors to it because I've gone safe on my foot.
I think the best part about a bustier top is that it gives you an illusion of hourglass shape.
If you like this video, don't forget
To like, share and subscribe to
Pink Villa.
Alexa.
Oh, I don't do this, but okay, kar lo.
Right, Palak, can you switch on the AC, man? Please, it's so hot.